In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a combination of different materials in one t-shirt and what is the best way to get it done. I'm also going to do a breakdown on the price in case you want to sell them. This is one for my church, but previously to this one, I made another one for a company, and they ordered me 50, so I gave them a cheaper price. I did like a wholesale price, but remember that everything that I use in this video is going to be in the description as the breakdown. So for this video, we're going to be using a magic foil, and then I chose to use the white regular bind. So this is the foil. This is how the foil looks. We're going to be using the Scissor Easy With adhesive, and it's this one. So this one gets printed not on the shiny side but on the other side, and you mirror it just like you will do with the HTV. And then of course this here. On the one that we are gonna do is gonna be a V-neck, and I'm gonna put rhinestones here. I'm gonna show you also when is the best time to put in your rhinestones. And again, okay, so this is the logo that we're gonna work on. This is from my church, and I did a different logo and I really like the way it came out, so I decided to share. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna separate these two. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a rectangular just like that, and then I'm going to unlock it, and I'm just gonna go all across and then pick everything up and then slice it. Okay, so this is separate already, and we're gonna start separating all the different layers. We can delete this one, we can delete this one. Actually I'm gonna use this one because I just got an idea. So here it is. Before I uploaded the image, I made sure that I erased the background, and you can I have video that you can watch in how to remove backgrounds really easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and post that right here on the video. So now that you have this one here, because this one is the rainbow color foil that I showed you, we're gonna go ahead and make this. So I'm gonna make this one maybe a light pink, and then this one I'm gonna make it white so that we can print them together. So by having these two, if you go here and go here, you know that it's 14.3 inches. So I want to make it a little bigger. So I want this a little bigger, so I grab them together. All you do is put them together and you go as big as you need it. I'm gonna do 16. So I'm gonna do 16, and I kind of want these a little bigger, so I'm just gonna go bigger here so that it shows more, and that's how I want it. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to make. You gotta make sure, see, you're gonna need the mat, the large mat. Okay, so here's that. We're gonna go mirror, and we're gonna go ahead and do the white, and then for this one here you want to mirror. So let's go ahead and do that, and I will see you back ready to press. Okay, so you need to press at 320 with the timer of 15 seconds. This heat press I have here, and I can write down like where I got it. This one has you can pull it out, and also when you lock it, after the seconds have passed, it opens out by itself. So this is we're going to be doing a women's large Hanes, and we're going to be doing the name of the church with in white, and then we're going to be doing this part of the logo with this rainbow one, and in the collar in the V-neck I'm going to be doing rhinestones. So I'm going to show you how I do the steps, because there's different timing. So the first thing that I do is I get my shirt to get any moisture from the shirt, and so that we can make it, we can have it ready to print. So we're gonna go ahead and press these, and I'm not gonna lock it, I'm just gonna press it for about 3 seconds. Okay, so here's my t-shirt. If you can see, it made a line, so that's gonna be like my my to-go place to so this is gonna be like my middle. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do, also here in the logo, I cut as much as I could because the name goes like right in here. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and I usually go like 3, when it's a v-neck, I go like 3 fingers down, and when it's a crew neck, I do 4 to 5 depending on the size of the t-shirt. So I'm gonna go 3 fingers down, and I'm just gonna put the name there. I think I want to bring it a little lower. Okay, and there it is. There you go. So what I'm gonna do is like this. These are not touching. What I'm gonna do, I'm only gonna do 3 seconds because of this material, which is the adhesive. This material only needs 3 seconds. So we're gonna go ahead and do it together. We're gonna do 3 seconds. And open it up. And this is a hot peel, so we're gonna go ahead and peel it out. And let me show you. You see the adhesive right there? Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my foil paper over, just like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. Just like that. So that one's already there. So now I want to put also some rhinestones, so we're going to go ahead and do that. I usually do 1 in the middle, so let's go ahead and do that. 1 in the middle and 8 in each side. Okay, so here we go. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my thermal sheet. I go very slowly and I put it over and I bring it in, and now we're gonna be doing 15 seconds. And all this is at 320. So here we go. So now we're gonna wait a little bit because this is a cold peel. So, but I can go ahead and do the bottom part. Okay, so that's done. And we're just gonna wait for this to cool down. Okay, so that's pretty cold already. So look at how beautiful. The rhinestones, the name, and now we're gonna go ahead and peel it and peel this off. And voila, look at that. Look at how beautiful that looks. Okay, so I hope you liked the video, and I hope I was able to encourage you to try other materials. For now, you guys, that's all for me. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.